Students always ask me, how do I sharpen my pencil like that? Well, that's easy. You just need a utility knife, and I'm going to show you how I do my first cut. Don't place your left thumb on the blade. Pay attention to the way I put them together to have more power, and I rotate my pencil with my left hand and I make my cuts. This is the fourth cut, and now I will just keep cutting the wood. I rotate my pencil, I cut, I rotate the pencil, I cut, until I get at least ½ inch of lead. I will make another video about why you want to sharpen your pencil like that. It's going to be very useful when it comes to shading. I keep cleaning, and that's what you'll end up with. Try it, practice, it's easier than you think. Thanks for watching.